Weather's not great today. New Zealand, end of spring. This is the kind of road you get when you get real off track. We have to climb some temple. Hello.
Good morning. We are on the road again.
There's no need to do that singing. That singing's terrible.
Rude, isn't it? We are on the road again, and we're in New Zealand, driving from Auckland. Our eventual destination will be Cable Bay, which is further up north from Auckland. The start of our trip where we're exploring as much of New Zealand as we can over the next 3 months. Anything else to add?
Absolutely not.
Right. See you later.
This is our first stop. What's the place called? Shell something? Shell Beach? Snell Beach, I think.
Snell.
It's about 40 miles north of Auckland. I think I want to go too far for the first stop. Check on the car, make sure it's okay. And we've stopped this lovely beach. That water's quite warm, you know.
We went for coffee. We did also get apple turnovers. I don't film those, but I just wanted to eat it. It's a bit difficult. We still have the coffee, as you can see.
Best coffee ever. Really good.
And now we're on the road again. We're going to drive for a little bit longer this time. A few hours.
So we had a little break on the drive. Just saw a vista. A sign pointing to a vista. We're just walking up this little steep hill now to get to the viewpoint.
Hi there.
Haruru Falls is where we're at. Apparently there's lots of kiwis here too. Epic.
Hi. We have just arrived in a little place that we have here. And that is our view, which is pretty amazing, even with the cloudiness. And this is our little place. Got a little seating area, little desky bit. Little Ferrero Rocher on this quite large bed.
That's mine.
Nice big. I haven't looked in here yet. Ooh, big. And then a little bit of that bathroom out here. There's also a little space outside the front and a little space outside the back.
So we are Maitai Beach or something?
Maitai Beach?
Maitai Beach?
Maitai
Just
Beach.
driven down a quite a rough track to get here. It was only about a kilometre, but I thought, shit.
We don't have the biggest car in the world.
We don't. So we're on a little peninsula. Weather's not great today, so we're not doing too much. I think it's going to clear up tomorrow. 20 degrees tomorrow.
Yeah.
But it's about 14 today, which is pretty cold.
Raining.
But this beach is nice. But like the Scottish beaches, isn't it?
Yes, this is part of the Haruru Peninsula, and there's no many people here. But there is someone camping, but Chris is attempting his wildlife photography. These guys are very, they like posing, those guys do.
A little walk and they go.
Yep, that's exactly what they do.
So we come to the end of this beach on this lovely wet day. Look at this. New Zealand, end of spring. What do you mean? You are doing arty things.
But I'd be in a bikini and stuff, and I'd be like, and there'd be some little quote.
Yeah.
It's a lovely beach to come down to.
Yeah.
Lovely beach to come down to. Nice little cove.
Where are we?
I think it's called Manganui.
Manganui, oh yeah, you can see from that. And that hotel is apparently the most northerly hotel in New Zealand.
So there's a lot of old buildings here that date back to like the mid 1800s, 1860s.
It's pretty damn old for New Zealand.
Yes. We just had some lunch in the old post office.
It's still raining as well.
It's still raining.
I mean, today's been one hell of a wet day. Back down to the open for a short period of time.
Over there?
What's that?
Well, that's the cafe we were in.
Oh, yeah.
And it was also the post office.
This is the kind of road you get when you go real off track. So we're going on a walk on this peninsula today.
Turn right to stay on Mahinepua Road.
The weather has finally become dry. This is a walk that's got a score of 4.8 on Google, so I think it's good. So we made it.
You made it. Well, we made it to the car park, didn't you?
Stunning, isn't it? I don't know where we start. Okay, what's the walk today?
Up here?
It might get windy up there.
It might.
Do you want to... Ladies first? Oh look, Ray, it's a hill. It's a hill!
Everywhere around here has hills.
Everywhere. Trust me, I did a run yesterday. It was hills. Up, down, up, down. It's an old building too. I mean, that building looks a little bit
That was abandoned.
abandoned, isn't it?
That was completely abandoned. You can't even get to that.
Is that a spider web?
Might be.
Wow.
Yeah, looks like it.
Okay. Okay. Just gone up those stairs and around the corner. We have to climb some temple.
Feels like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. And we still go up. Made it to the top. Although it might be the top. It's not the end. How are you doing? We made it to the top.
Made it.
It wasn't that far, was it? 1.5 miles.
Not far. surprisingly hilly.
We're probably going to sit back down on the bench and have our lunch. What are you eating?
Cheese sandwich.
It's good.
So, cheese and cucumber actually.
It's a pretty good view for our lunch. Okay, it's probably the highlights of the walk done. We're going back on ourselves now, so
Yeah.
I don't think there's going to be anything else.
It's been a pretty good first walk.
Yeah, it's been quite hilly, but it's very short. I wouldn't say it's too strenuous, although your breathing would say otherwise.
Well, some of us don't run up and down hills for a living, so.
Anyway, ciao.
Thanks for joining us on our little walk.
Ciao. Ciao.
Bye.
Oh yes, and if you're enjoying these videos, please press the like button. And if you're really enjoying them, press the subscribe button, because then you'll get more of them. Bye.